Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today it's Thursday update day. I'm so excited. I'm sorry I haven't done a video in a long time, and I even didn't do last week's update. I'm so sorry, but I've just been so busy with school and everything else. So let's get started, and I will log in. So just saying, guys. Wait, I'll be right back. I need to fix this. Okay, guys, I'm back. And just in time for the Jamaa days, deer have returned to Jamaa and are available to members for the low price of 1,000 gems. No diamonds! Oh, yay. Let's move on. This Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday only, an event will happen that's so big it has been even more than 6 years in the making. Skullys are coming back. These incredibly rare accessories haven't been available since the beta days, so head to the diamond shop this weekend and pick up your very own Skullys. Whoa. I thought they were inappropriate. Grab one of these adorable winter pets and bring them with you as you explore all of Jamaa's lands and oceans. Well, I already have a polar bear, so. Have you seen the Gingerbread armor, the newest and sweetest armor set in Jamaa? I haven't played while. It's kind of gross. It's kind of a bit ugly. Like in everyday day of gifts. Yeah, Jamaa days. Blah blah blah. We don't know many details, but we have just heard the alpha is a new animal may soon be coming to Jamaa. We will keep you posted as soon as we learn more. Oh gosh. There's a video. We'll watch that later. This is a big update. As 2016 winds down, be sure to keep your eyes open for the New Year's party, the best way to ring in the new year. Guys, this is great. In honor of deer returning to Jamaa, visit the Conservation Museum to learn all about animals with different antlers, horns, and tusks. And that is so on. Wow, there's a lot. 1,000? Yes. Wait, what part is it now? Oh god. Okay. Let's get a deer, guys. So glad they don't cost any diamonds. That'll be all of my diamonds. Call this? I'm gonna call it prancing. I'm pretty sure there's a prancing in here. I know exactly what I want to do with this, and I'll be right back. Here we go. Prancing jazzy deer. I used to do prancing jolly deer, but so let's buy this. Oh, it's so cute. So cute, little baby. Alright. I will be back when I have decorated my deer. Alright guys, I am back, and I have decorated my reindeer. It's very beautiful. Its name is Prancer, because its name is Prancing Jazzy Deer. Because Prancer is a prancing jazzy deer. Look how he's beautifully prancing. Anyways, let's check out the Gingerbread Set, because, why not? I forgot most of what was in. Oh wow, a lot of people are here, and nobody's doing the Gingerbread Set. Okay. I've seen him play while. It's kind of gross. Gingerbread helmet, amulet. I could buy this stuff. Gauntlets, armor, the tail. It looks okay, I guess. I think I'm gonna get some of the items, but not all of them, because some of them don't look too great. Just saying. I like the tail. Those are cool. Okay, they're all member. That is sad. Oh, Skullys. 4 days left. They are so weird. People are going crazy about these things. Let's see how they look on the Arctic Wolf. Oh, they go at the end of the tail, which is actually pretty nice. I'm gonna get one from the Arctic Wolf. I'm gonna get the dark purple. 3 diamonds? Jesus. Oh, I forgot about my feather tail. Well, these Skullys are cool, so I'm gonna buy one. only have 5 diamonds left. Wow. They look okay. I don't know. I just like it. Look. At least it doesn't go like at the beginning of the tail. So it looks like you have balls. Yeah. Because I've seen videos. People thought it looks like you have balls on. Oh god. See when you dance. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. Just looks like there's skulls up there. The tail. I like how they're bringing back old items like the head feather and the spikes. Bring on spikes 2 times. It's actually great, so people can have like kind of artificial types. So I only have 5 diamonds left. Oh, the polar bear. What happened to its mouth? Its mouth is like bandaged. I already have a polar bear. I don't know where he went. I'll get him back. He's not okay. He's okay. It's just I love him. It's just his nose looks gross. Ew! But it makes him look a tiny bit cute. Jelly roll. I'm not gonna waste 3 diamonds on another one. So this guy, I think he really wants. Okay. Anything on my trade for Skullys, please? I'm not gonna trade this away. No. What else was on the news? I forgot. Skullys back to Gingerbread armor. New animal. I like the deer. Scully sail. Polar bear. Gingerbread armor. That's okay. New animal. Let's watch this with. Let's watch a video. A nice video. Oh dear. Oh dear. Looks cool. Whoa. Oh god. That bunny's having a time of his life. Ah, so rude. Well, that sure was interesting. Well, let's turn back into my wonderful deer. I have a bad nose. I may get a Scully for my deer, but I really like this tail. So I'm gonna keep it vested. Yeah, they don't look too great. So, what are we just gonna do? I just forgot. No. Oh. I do. It actually looks kind of good. I kind of like it, but I kind of don't. Whoa, what the? That's a strange kite, mighty. I don't know. I kind of like the Jingle Bell necklace a bit better. Jamie's cause I'm broke. Well, what do you have for trade? It depends. You have nothing on trade. I hate people. You already have a Stolly. God. Anyways, it's pretty nice. I mean, the gingerbread armor is okay. I don't like it that much. I like this. That's cute. Oh, I kind of like it. I didn't like the helmet and the armor. Like the helmet just looks like weird. Armor, not really. I mean, it has a little smiley face. That means I have to get it. I must. Oh jeez, I spent 6 of my diamonds. No. Let's see. Oh, okay. So this has been a pretty cool update, guys. Happy Gem Holidays. Well, it's not like any basic Gem Holidays where they just bring back stuff. They actually introduce more stuff like Skullys and Gingerbread armor. They bring back the polar bears and deer, but they always have to, so. This page is really boring. They got they didn't have any ideas for this. Oh God. New ideas. There's a new animal. That's good. New video. New Year's party. Okay. Learn about antlers, horns, and tusks. Cool. 2017. Oh my God. And I already got the Fox bundle. I had a video on that. Tamale jam. Is there? Ugh. I want to go to the New Year's party. It's gonna be like forever. Well, I'm glad the deer are only 1,000 gems instead of 10 diamonds, because I could have still gotten it, but I wanted to get other cool stuff. But I'm glad they were still like cheap, because I like cheap things, like a cheap price. I kind of like this because I saw someone else with it. It matches me, but I like that. That looks cool, so I'm gonna recycle this one. I almost recycled one of those. Do I have enough money? No, I don't have enough money. So, okay, let's go shopping. Not shopping. I don't have any money. Let's recycle stuff. I don't even know why I did these. 5. They're all worth 1 gem. That's horrible. Horrible. I don't like this. I can't tell if I'm recycling them or not because they're all glowing. Let's not do that. Oh God, no. Let's have a pet reindeer. This guy. This cute little pet reindeer. It'll have his little daughter. It'll have his daughter. Her daughter. I don't know. I have a beautiful daughter. Let's go to the pet stop. Let's see. I like the little bell better than the wreath. No, the nose. Wait. Oh my God, no. I remember I loved these so much. I like the Santa hat. I don't really like the globe. Okay, I like the Santa hat. I've changed mine. I think I want it to be more festive, but Jesus. Like, why would you want to make yours look so crazy? I'm sorry, guys. I have a cold. I kind of like the wreath, but I also kind of don't. I also wear the bell. A new update, an updated version. I was like flying. I thought it was just jumping in the air and it was lagging, so it looked like it was flying, but it was actually flying. Let's see how it like the deer and the reindeer dances. They like oh that's cute. I like is this prancing along like a cute little reindeer, cause it is a cute little reindeer. I don't know what I'm saying. Let's play. Oh, I like this. Oh, his eyes go crazy. Like back to normal. It's eating poop. He's like, oh my God, no, you did not just see that. No. So gross. Let's see it hop. I like its prancing hop. Sleep. Oh yeah, he's so cute. Oh, it's very fancy. Remember, I've always wanted a reindeer because they are so fancy when they sit. I just love how they sit. They're so. Oh God, the necklace. It's going through its skin. Ah! So I just love Digimon holidays, guys.